Sarap. Murag tang, no? The Tuba challenge.
Tuba.
Let's go. Kapag ka magbudot?
Oo.
Oh!
I know how to budot.
I know how to budot.
Mayong butang, majbesh, majbay.
Mamundag mga best mga bay. Karon, na kami diri sa Cebu City. Ako gikan sa Samar, siya gikan sa Thailand. O karon nga mo suri kami diri sa bukid. Mo explore kami sa mga waterfalls na kanindot. Sa miyagan adlaw dito ko gikan sa Samar, dito ko nag-surfing kami dito. Og mo ni si Asen akong migon taga US, dito kami nakaila. Iyang first time diri sa Pinas, so ako siya i-tour karon. So wala pa siya nakatilaw og tuba. So ipatilaw na ko siya og tuba karon. So tara. Hi. Wave. 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 So cute. Bye.
Bye.
Mamuntag tay. Kumusta? Kumusta gwapo?
Murag yapon.
Gwapo man gyapon.
Og ulay lain.
Oh. Sige tay, mura kami. What's the name of it? Kankalang-og?
Kankalang.
Kankalang-og? Sige, padulong na kami sa Kankalang-og Falls. Sakto ba na? Dili. By the way, siguro kailan mo ani si Jan.
Hello.
So, napila siya sa unas dito sa Siargao. Dito kami nakaila, dugay na. 2017 pa. So, nagkita kami sa Cebu City, nagkuyog siya namo diri sa Malboal. Yan. So, happy na kami sa falls. Pitanon ako sa inyo.
Like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. This ain't no sugar-coated love.
Sige, Day. Kumusta naman? Astig? Astig?
Astig.
Astig, Austin?
Astig.
Yeah, Astig means that was cool.
Astig.
Astig. Yeah, buddy. Astig. Nindun man diri. Mata kami sa Pikas. Kaya naay usa pa ka falls na Cambais. Ako video rito sa Cambais pero wala pa sila nakaato so ako mag-tour nila. So let's go. So stay ka mga falls dira sa Ubos pero akong paborito diri sa taas ang duha ka falls diri. Mao ni akong paborito diha. Which one do you like the most?
I like this one with the pool.
Yeah, with the pool. So nice.
Nice diving
Mas
hole.
astig.
Mas astig. Good afternoon. Oh, hello.
Just register your names here.
Okay.
Now, registration fee is 50 pesos each.
Lionel, mamba ka? Mamba ka? Oh, di ka hadlok. Butcher, oy. Sige, tara. Woo. So karon na dagang turista diri sa Cambais Falls. Karon diri sa first falls nila. Dito sa unahan, basin wala may turista. O dito ang pinakanindot. Alam niyo mo?
Yes! Intot kayo.
Nindot! Sige, langoy ta!
Don't you worry about me. If I keep feeling like I'm missing something, don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about.
Absolutely amazing. I think I'm gonna get a summer home here in Cebu.
Oh yeah, buddy. Ikaw, Day.
So
Astig?
good.
Team Astig.
Astig.
Dili, Team Spartan. Haha, woo! Para sa canyoneering, dili. Para sa falls lang. Para dili sila malumos.
Dilis lang yung Bisaya.
Gamay, gamay.
Kanais.
Imong, saan ni tawag? Totoy?
Iro.
Ay, sa Ilanggo gali. Totoy sa Ilanggo. Sa Bisaya, unsa gani ang... Pero ang iro na gamay, nabat...
Itoy.
Itoy.
Yan.
Ay, oh. Pastilan.
Apo ni mo.
Ay, mas gwapa ka.
Pinay, bati.
Di man gyud. Ka-cute sa iro, no? Sa itoy di ay.
Itoy.
Sa itoy, dili sa pitoy. Sa kanang pangalan niyo si
Gloria.
Gloria?
Ayan.
Gloria. Sige, salamat.
Ay, kalimti ng Gloria, La Bandera.
La Bandera. La Bandera ka?
Ano?
Apelyido lang.
Apelido. Oh no, not apelido, es Lobiano.
Ah, mo dia.
Karon hapon
Wala.
naman.
Kusog hangin.
Oh.
Wakwak siguro.
No, wakwak.
Ay, wala.
Nawala wakwak.
Ah, wala gyud. Patay na sila.
Ah, wala na.
Ay, wala di ay.
Naidaghan kuan, naidaghan nga ahos.
Sukoy. Ay, ahos. Hadlok sila sa ahos, no?
Pangidlas.
Oo, hadlok sila sa ahos. Ahos. Sige, salamat Gloria ha.
Oh, yes. Okay, no?
Sige. Amping ha.
Salamat.
Amping ka sa mga wakwak. Basta na ay ahos. Okay ra kaya.
Oh, ang lupa na ako.
Lupa na sila. Oh.
Lupa na sila.
Sige, salamat ha.
Sige, way sa pa yan, oy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Amping.
Amping mo sa biyahe, ha.
Oo, amping sila sa amo ha. Sige dyan, unsay nakita nato.
Nay, tuba.
Nay Tuba. Excited na si Austin kay Nay Tuba. Yuyu.
Hoy!
Tulod? Musta Nay?
Ulang na!
Urot?
Kanang busy old ako.
Dili oy. Gwapa gyapon.
Ulong-ulong man.
Pares ta buhok Nay. Puti.
Oh. Mga gwapo.
Mga gwapa ta.
Get inside!
Ah, sige, thank you.
Asa may masulanan?
Baba.
Baba.
Ah, dapat may sudlanan no. Mo na yung tuba? Siguro, kuwan lang. Dili lang kami mag-inom.
Pwede ra.
Kay, dili man mahubog dayon, di ba? Bisan usa ka shot or usa ka baso. This is Tuba. Yeah, let's go. unsang tuba sa English? Coconut wine? Coke more. Tuba gyapon no. It's coconut wine. Coconut wine. Sige, wala kami sudlan. Unsa gani? Sudlanan?
Sudlanan.
Wala kami sudlanan. So, dili lang siyam mo inom. Ikaw mag-inom ka day. Try ka?
Ha?
Mo try ka?
Isa ka ladok.
Usa ka gallon. Sige, so kabul ko mo dili ko kainom. Pero video na ko sila. Mali nga tagyapon. Ayos. Wow. Thank you, Nay. Thank you. Unsa ngalan nimo?
Iding!
Iding.
Oh,
Ako si Kaloy.
kaloy.
Oh. Kaloy ni Kaloy.
Kaloy. Ay, sa ginoo ko.
Ayos. Excited na kami. Wala pa kami nakitilog tuba.
Wal og karon eto ni
Cambais.
Cambais.
Cambais Falls.
Wapo.
Tagadiin mo kaday.
Taga
Wow.
Oh, di ay.
Ha?
Cebu na ko kuyo.
Grabe cheap. Pila gani?
Wala oy may
Pila gani? Tagpila?
pila?
Oo.
70.
70 ang
1 gallon.
1 gallon. You can drink a gallon?
Yeah, I just want
Pila kon usa ka baso? Mag-share sila.
Isko basura.
Oo.
Ah, wala ra.
Huh? 20. Buy kami 20.
Ay, ito, kaloy. Tagay ka na kamis.
Sige.
Kanang kamis ba daw?
Well, they said it's free, but I'll just give her a tip or
Kanang
something.
kamis ba?
Sige. Nagpasalamat kami kayang uban hurot. Abi namo dili kami makikita og tuba karon adlaw.
Oh, edi sunod niyo agi magtuba.
Oh, wow. Sarap. Murag tang, no? Murag tang.
B.
You can share it. She wants to taste it.
Ay kuan ba kanang sa bebe.
Alright. There we
But I
go.
wanna
What's it called?
tuba. The tuba challenge.
Tuba.
Let's go.
It's not bad actually.
Really? Is it spicy?
A little bit.
Spicy.
Spicy.
Kuan kanang
May sili?
Sili?
Nice sili.
Wala oy.
Wala di ay.
I'll just take a sip.
Ang sarap. What's our flavor? Orange na tang? Passion fruit? 4 seasons.
Murag suka, tino?
Murag suka?
Di tilaw, be?
Dili kay sakit akong tiyan.
Murag suka.
Murag suka? Or suka?
Murag suka. Matamis.
It's good.
Really?
I mean,
Pait-pait na
I don't know if I'd order it, but
Chug it.
yeah.
naman good.
You want another sip?
He's hesitant.
Ikaw na.
No, you have to help him because
Is it strong?
you have to finish it.
Ha?
Is it strong? Am I gonna be able to get back?
Makahubog ni siya, dili. Kung usa ka baso. Di man, no? Makabiyahe sa gihapon. Ah, sige. Yeah, you won't get drunk if you drink that glass. You'll be fine driving. Alright, do it for the boys.
Cheers.
Ching. Oh, dang. Whoa, pas. Master ni siya, di ay.
Ikaw, di ka?
Sa sunod, hadlo ko. Okay, magbiyahe man. Yeah, how was it, dude? Different
Yeah.
than anything you've
it's
tasted? Spicy?
Spicy.
Dugay na kayo. Marag Pilipino na ako.
Ako na.
Gwapa ka na eh. Pilang edad mo? Mga 40 na?
83.
Ha, 83?
Yeah.
Ano dili mailan?
Di, ilan.
Mao na basta sige inom og tuba. Dili ka matigulang. Maayo.
Tag 1 glass lang, 1 glass.
Ha?
1 glass.
1 glass lang. Wiska adlaw. Matag adlaw. Sige. So, mo nang sikreto na dili ka matigulang usa ka glass sa tuba, wiska adlaw, no? Maayo.
Kay ma-over, makadaot.
Oh, kung daghan, dili siya maayo.
Oh, anak.
Oh, mabuang.
Abo.
Sige. So, kapulan ka mo. Ayaw pag inom og daghan kay mabuang ko mo. Sige. Salamat, Nay. Salamat kayo. So, mato kami sa ubos. Muli pa kami sa Mualbual. Layo pa.
Ani tayda.
Ha?
Dili tayda.
Diri lang?
Oh.
Oh, susunod.
Aw bata.
Oh,
Oh, sure ba ya?
basta ikaw.
Oh.
Salamat, Nay.
Oh, nga.
Sige.
Pag-promise lamang muna.
Try ko.
Oh.
Okay, promises are meant to be broken daw. So, try lang.
Kaya nang sure gyud.
Dapat sure, no?
Oh, sure gyud. Why try?
Sige, mo jamming ta sa sunod. Jam.
Oh, sige.
Na, pag sound trip ta. Budots.
Oh.
Kapag ka magbudots?
Oo.
Oh! Sige, be. Ay, sample. Allah!
Oh, sawa.
Grabe. Ay, kalingan ni mo na.
I know how to budot.
I know how to budots. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Ay, salamat. Sige, Nay. Salamat. Mauna kami.
Joke ra ha.
Joke ra na. Linggaw lang.
Sige.
Sige, salamat sa tuba.
Oh, salamat po.
Sige, bye-bye.
Oh,
Bye,
come
Nay.
again.
Salamat.
Balik mo.
Bless na no? Sige, salamat ha.
Bye, Nay.
Salamat. Oh.
Bye, Nay.
Oh, bye-bye. Balik ha.
Oo, balik.
Oh, come again yun.
Come again. Sige.
Come again yun mo.
Thank you.
Ito to? Bye, kuan.
Huh? Ay, oh. Alright, dude. How can you explain the taste?
I would say,
Like vinegar.
yeah, it's almost like apple.
Cider vinegar?
Yeah, that's
Really?
probably
Fermented apple cider vinegar?
Yeah, that was like the best description I could think of. But tastes better than that, you know? 'Cause
Yeah.
that's terrible. So it was like smelt bad,
It's not bad.
tasted
better.
all right with an apple cider
Okay.
vinegar aftertaste.
How much was the gallon?
70.
70 pesos a gallon,
It's
dude.
like $1.30.
Yeah, hi. Ayos. Let's go.
Sige, tara.
What's going down?
We're gonna buy palit mo yung durian for
Oh.
this guy.
Yeah. Magpalit kog durian kay usa sa akong paborito. Wala pa siya nakatilaw. So tinabaho daw. So ako siya ipatilaw. Kay pilang durian?
200, sir, ang kilo.
Yay. Mahal man din ah. 200 kilo in Davao. I bought some for 15 pesos kilo because they have so much over there. Traffic na kayo diri sa Mualbual. Bye. Punta. Sige, so wala kami na dayon sa durian kay mahal man, 300 pesos usbok. Dito sa Davao, grabe ka barato. Pero okay naman.
Are you taking
Yeah. Huh?
taking them back?
Yeah, we can go get some food somewhere though, real food. So nagpalit ko star apple o mangosteen. Mga paborito na ko, ipatilan ako sa ila. Woo! Good buddy. Alright, first time ni Austin, yeah. my favorite too.
Flower fruit. That's one of the most healthiest fruits.
Really? What's it called?
Mangosteen.
Nice, eh? You approve?
Oh yeah, that's delicious. And then you shoot this.
What?
No, crack
so
the
you,
top.
you crack the top, you drink the stuff inside, and then you start peeling it.
Okay.
And then you eat
When
it
you use the sauce.
to cleanse your palate while you're chewing is when I did it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Usually use a spoon. Ang kuan
So, oh, and salt
Kutsara?
helps.
para crack the top.
Man.
You just peel it.
Yeah, you just break out the top part. Yeah.
Thanks.
Drink it.
Drink it.
Buddy, drink that juice.
Oh, I have like a little.
There's no juice in it.
Oh, you gotta break. Sorry. There's like a skin.
Oh fuck.
You gotta break the skin. Ooh, nasty.
There you go. There you go. Oh yeah.
Fuck
There's the
me
juice.
up.
Not bad. This is rough. That's people's favorite part.
It's actually not bad.
No, it's not.
Alright. So do you?
It's just the thought of it now.
Now you just peel it and eat it.
Do you peel the whole thing?
There's a bird, right? Yeah, there she is.
Oh fuck me! No shot. What?
I can't do this
Yes.
again.
Okay. How do I eat it?
Little baby one. Just eat it like a hard-boiled egg. Just peel it all.
Peel it all?
Oh, this one's slimy.
Here she is.
Oh my god.
I believe it's not butter.
I can't believe
Wait,
it's not
crying already.
butter.
You're already
Do you
crying.
eat it like in one go or what?
You can chew it.
This is
Gabe threw it all in his
nasty
mouth.
as
So he didn't have
shit.
to pour it. Oh yeah, dude. That looks like an alien.
It is an alien. Alright. Do I use salt or anything? I don't know.
You got fetus juice
Do
all
I
over your
eat?
shirt.
Do I eat? Do I
Oh
eat
no,
this?
it's whole.
It's the whole.
Do I,
my video.
do I eat this?
Not that
no,
hard
not the
part.
hard part. Oh,
Oh,
but I
just this
can't
part?
get mine off. Oh
That's
no!
a chick.
Oh my god! It's on me.
Suck it.
I'm
Suck that
gonna
up.
say that.
Go. Suck it.
I can't do this again.
Go, go, go.
Why
go,
am I
go,
doing
go.
this?
No.
Oh!
Okay,
Eat
put it in
it.
your mouth. There you go. Chew it.
Oh,
Ew. I'm not having this no more.
Want the sauce?
Alright, big boy. Nice. Love it. Freaking deja vu. Love it.
so much worse than last time, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, they said the other one was bigger. I feel like this is not bigger. How was it? Just tastes like a hard-boiled egg, yeah?
Yeah. With a baby in it.
Yeah.
I had to slap my baby.
Alright.
The egg was fine.
Out of 10, rate it.
A 4.
Wow, not bad. Go.
Never again.
Never
I
again.
got 2.
I can't wait to play this clip next time you eat it. Never again. 1 month later. Aww. Alright, well,
You
I don't want to eat it by myself, so.
You have to.
By myself?
No, yeah, you do.
It's messed up.
Yeah, nah.
Do it. Do it.
Don't you worry about me. If I